Why teacher appreciation?
We have a lot to learn. So we appreciate teachers. So one of the ways when we were growing this firm that we wanted to give back was to say to recognize a teacher, to do some small part in our community, to buy supplies for their classroom for a year.
Connor's here.
Hi, how are you?
Yeah, well, move aside.
Oh, hi, how are you?
I'm alright.
It's so good to see you.
It's good to see you
Thank
too.
you so much for nominating me.
It's the least I could do.
Oh, I miss you.
I missed you
How's
too.
life after high school?
I've been learning more.
Good.
Yeah, I learned more in the past maybe 6 months I did in my entire high school.
Oh, I'm so proud of you.
Yeah.
It is a tremendously important, difficult job, and teachers sacrifice so much of their own personal money to invest in their classroom.
Definitely seeing kids outside of high school and in the real world and the things they've accomplished, and just seeing who they can really become once they finally realize their strengths. So I think helping them find their strengths and then go out and use those strengths and go do good things.
I was so impressed that you had a special ed teacher who cared so much that she would message him during COVID, checking in to see how he's doing, and you could tell the impact that she had made on Connor's life, and so it made it a no-brainer for us to recognize.
I love what I do, and I'm not just saying that.